I don't really know what is happening here. I can already tell this is a disaster. And no, I don't feel like there's creatures coming, so I think I'm pretty safe right now. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing crafts and DIY projects. And guys, lately I've been following two internet phenomenons, and I wanted to get in on the action. We're talking Bird Box, yes, all the challenges, and the Marie Kondo show, Tidying Up on Netflix, teaching you her Japanese method of Kon Mari, or the art of organization. Now, I've become pretty fascinated with these two things. I've seen all those videos and stories about telling people not to like try to drive and do the Bird Box challenge. I've also seen countless posts about tidying up and how everyone's throwing out all their stuff and turning over a new leaf. I mean, it is January, so it came onto Netflix at a great time. I wanted to maybe try some of those, but I thought I was gonna combine the two. So in this special video, I am going to be doing Kon Mari folding while blindfolded. So what I'm trying to say is we are going to do a Kon Mari Bird Box challenge, yes. So I'm going to blindfold myself while I shoot this. In case you're not aware, we are going to be moving soon. So that means getting rid of some stuff, packing up all of my clothes, you know, all the really fun parts of moving. So I thought I would try this out with some articles of clothing and a towel, see if I can do the Marie Kondo style thing. I mean, who knows? Maybe I could do it. I am generally messy by nature. Just ask my mom and my husband, they'll tell you. And real quickly before we get started, what did I think of the show and the movie? I would give both of them a 6 out of 10. I thought the pacing could have been a little bit better for Tidying Up. Some parts just seemed really slow. And Bird Box, you're only getting a 6 because Sandra Bullock, I love you. This is gonna be fun, right? I don't think I've ever put on a blindfold, at least not in the past decade. And it's kind of a miracle. I was able to get my hair, guys, really high today, which is kind of amazing. All right, to prepare for this role, I did not wash my hair for the last 4 days to look more like Mallory from the movie. Okay, maybe I didn't do that on purpose, but I feel like it kind of worked out. So I'm gonna try to feel what the articles of clothing are. I think this is a t-shirt. The way I saw Marie do it is she would try to fold the shirts in a long rectangle. And is it just me or did it take her a really long time to fold up like one tank top? You know, this is a lot harder to fold laundry when you can't see the laundry. Now I see what Mallory was going through in the movie. All right, and I just watched the movie earlier today. So Marie, yeah, I'm going back and forth here. Marie would fold this into like a rectangle. And if the sleeves were like too long, she would like fold them in again. All right, so I think I got this. I feel like this sort of isn't like a rectangle. She would fold it in half and then fold it into thirds. Maybe like the side without the fold is supposed to be on the outside. And then you're supposed to stand it upright. Let's see, can I stand this upright? All right, I feel like this worked out. All right, this is my peach color tank top that I got from Old Navy. And by the way, guys, I'm not a fashion vlogger. None of these clothes are remotely new. I'm gonna try to find the side seams here. Okay, oh boy, all right, that's getting in the way. This feels sort of right. Okay, here we go. So fold it in half and then fold it into thirds. You know, guys, I feel like so far this is not going too badly. And then I guess the premise is that when things are standing up, you can see everything in a drawer and it's easier to like take something out without like you messing up the whole like stack of shirts or something. So in some sense, I get it. I'm not sure if I would do this for all of my clothing, but maybe for like some of it. All right, let's switch to a different type of item. All right, I'll do the towel since this is such a large, this is gonna be tricky. Oh man, this is, all right. I don't have that big of a work surface here. So she folded it into thirds. Yeah, this is gonna look really bad, but I don't know. Whoops, I don't wanna break the 3D printer here. I don't think this is great, but I don't think this is terrible. So she folded, again, it seems to be like folding things in half. Oh man. Folding things in half and then folding things into thirds. Okay, and then you're supposed to stand this upright. Okay, oh. All right, how am I doing, guys? I honestly don't know, but we're gonna Kon Mari my way into our new apartment and I'm gonna spark some joy if it kills me. So we're doing this. This is a sweatshirt, okay. I don't really know what is happening here. So I think the key to doing this blindfold at least is to try to find the side seams in here. Like I can feel one is over here and one is over here. And no, I don't feel like there's creatures coming. So I think I'm pretty safe right now. This one I think so far is the hardest. Oh, this is really sucking, guys. So if your sleeve is like too long, just like fold it over one more time, I guess. Okay, I think this is probably gonna be the worst one. It's just hard to feel the shape of it, you know? Because this is so thick, probably just fold this into thirds. Okay, and then go like this, I guess. She said to fold the jeans in half, then fold them in half, you know, across the length. Is there something under this? I feel like there's something in here. And then she said to fold into thirds. Okay, these are not gonna look great, but all right. This is not going well. I can already tell this is a disaster. You guys can see, obviously I can't. I mean, they're standing upright, so I guess if they stand up, does that mean it's a win? I don't know. These are my khaki pants from a lot of my clothes are from Old Navy, guys. I don't know why, but the clothing I've had that last the longest, they're all from Old Navy, I swear, all from Old Navy. All right, so I'm gonna try to find the crotch here. I know that's exciting. Okay, and that's how I know how to fold these in half. And at the end, it'll be exciting because I'll be able to see how badly I messed this up. They're not long enough to fold into thirds, so I'm just gonna do half and half, and I think that'll work. Okay, I feel like this is not going too badly. I don't mind the folding method. I'm just not sure I could sit here all day and do this. Like, it was taking Marie like 20 minutes to fold a tank top, and I just don't think I have that much willpower. These are another pair of pants I own. These are definitely long enough that I can do her traditional folding. Fold in half, whoops. I think the other clothing is getting in the way. Fold in, then fold into thirds, then stand upright. Okay, I can do this. What else is left? Wait, did I do all the clothing? I think I did everything. Okay, guys. I am pretty much in disbelief because I cannot believe my clothing folding looks this good doing it blindfolded. The jeans are a little funky, okay, but it's because they're unzippered. So if I had them zippered, I think they would have looked a little bit better, but you know, for doing it with the blindfold on, I didn't think I did too badly. I mean, these look pretty passable. Marie Kondo, do you approve? I gotta say, this was kind of fun, although the next time I do this, I'm gonna be doing it without the blindfold. Because, yeah, you don't need to make life hard on yourself if you don't need to. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look at my attempt to Kon Mari my clothing, and also attempt a bird box challenge. I think I slayed both of these pretty well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing to the Sewing Report for everything sewing, crafts, and DIY projects, and occasionally just a funny video like this one. I'll see you guys next time. I'm Jennifer Moore.